One of the recurring discussions you will see on Selenium forums or blogs is about which locator strategy is the best, XPath or CSS. The two are always compared in terms of readability and performance. People who are in favor of CSS claim that it is more readable and faster than XPath. I will agree with the more readable part, but the rest, not so sure. In fact, XPath is not always faster than CSS. To demonstrate this, I ran a small test that waits for the Google search field using both locator strategies. I ran the test on several browsers provisioned by the Source Labs cloud service. The results clearly show that on older IE browsers like IE8, CSS is indeed much faster than XPath. However, on the modern IE browsers, the difference is not significant. Also, one thing you should know is that IE does not support XPath natively. On browsers like Firefox and Chrome, which both supports XPath natively, you will notice that XPath can even be faster than CSS. So don't believe the hype. I would say use CSS on browsers like IE8 and IE browser prior to IE8. After that, it's up to you.